Hey YouTube learner, welcome back to my English spoken journey, and today I am going to discuss how I learn English at my home at zero cost. Yes, you hear right. I did all my spoken practice at zero cost. You can do also. Actually, I have to say we all as a student learn so many things in our school system. We learn English, we love grammar, we love so many story, but now when it comes to speak, we just stop, we just get fumble. All those things why happen. It's only because we are doing lack of practice. Yes, you're right. Practice is the only things that make us man perfect. Practice is the only things. Please, just you do not have to spend any kind of money or anything. Please, first of all, just forget all the things that English is any superior, anything that we cannot do that. Like, it is just a language, and why we lack in spoken English just because of lack of practice. Only just because. Please do not check any person, or if you are checking any kind of video, please apply your brain also, and please analyze anything, because there are a lot of people who doesn't tell you the truth behind why they learn and how it will happen. The only things, learn English by yourself, and there are nothing anything that cannot be happen. First of all, if I give you suggestion, that is simple. Do practice as you can, do practice, and first of all record yourself. See how was your gesture, how you look like in front of mirror, how you talk, what kind of voice you listen of yourself. Actually this will make a difference, and if you do not believe on my words, please check my first vlog or first video. You can see, I get fumble all the time. I stop, I just see the paper, and now all things that I say to you, without any kind of chit notes. Actually, I did lot of mistake also, I do grammatical error, pronunciation error, but the core area is that I speak at least 5 to 10 times without any kind of support system. So that is the secret of anything. If you want to learn English at home without spending at 0 rupees, then yes, it will happen. And why and how? It's simple. Analyze yourself, trust yourself, do practice as much as you can. If you are too beginner, then you should follow shadowing practice. Shadowing, what is shadowing? To follow any your interested speaker like a shadow, so it is called shadowing. Do shadowing as it possible, make practice as it possible, and record yourself. So this is the golden secret of learning English or any other language. So bye, take care.